Hare Krishna dear students, in our last few classes we have learnt about kinds of nouns. तो आज हम kinds of nouns का revision करेंगे through some exercises. तो इस वीडियो में आगे मैंने आपके लिए एक quiz arrange किया है. So you are all going to answer the quiz. There is no need to note down this quiz in your copy. It's for revision purpose only. So let's start with our quiz. Here comes the first question. What is a noun? Tell me dear students, what is a noun? A person, place or thing. What is a proper noun? It is a specific noun. Read all the options carefully and answer. What is a common noun? A common noun is a general noun. What must a proper noun have? Read all the options carefully and think about it. A capital letter. Which one is a common noun? Tom, London, January or girl? A girl. Girl is a common noun. Which one is a proper noun? Look carefully. Option D. Walmart is a proper noun. Which one is a proper noun? Read the options carefully, dear students. California. It is the name of a place, a specific name. Hence, it's a proper noun. Now take a look. Which one is a common noun? State. Option B. State is a common noun because all the others are proper nouns. Identify the proper noun in this sentence. My mom and I went to Walmart. Walmart is the proper noun. Identify the proper noun in this sentence. My puppy Bailey is so cute. Bailey, it's the specific name of an animal, hence it's a proper noun. Now look at this sentence. Angela and Sophia are playing tag. What are the proper nouns? Angela and Sophia. Because they are the specific names of two girls. Now you have to identify the common nouns. The girls and boys are watching Frozen movie. So what is the common noun? Girls and boys. Now let's start with collective nouns. What is a group of puppies called? A litter. A group of puppies is called a litter. A group of ships is called a fleet. A fleet. I hope you all remember all this, students. A group of caterpillars is called an army. A group of caterpillars is called an army. What is a group of keys called? A bunch. A group of keys is called a bunch. A group of lions is called a pride. A group of crows is called a murder. A group of crabs is called, crabs आपको सबको पता है ना, केकड़े that are found in the ocean, it's called a cast. A group of leopards is called a leap. A group of wolves, wolves सबको पता है ना, भेड़िए. A group of wolves is called a pack. This one is interesting. A group of owls. Can you tell me what is a group of owls called? A parliament. Okay children, so now lastly we will do an exercise related to countable and uncountable nouns. There is some milk in the fridge. Is it countable or uncountable? Can you count milk? No, it's uncountable. I have been living in the same apartment for 2 years. Apartment is a type of flat. So, is it countable or uncountable? It's countable. You can count an apartment. Look at the next one. The thieves stole all my jewelry. Is jewelry countable or is it uncountable? It is uncountable. He drinks a lot of coffee. Can you count coffee? Is it countable? No, it's not. It's uncountable. There are some bananas in the kitchen. Are bananas countable or are they uncountable? They are countable. You can count bananas. We are going to get new furniture for the living room. Is furniture countable or uncountable? Uncountable. Furniture cannot be counted. I'll take a few magazines with me for the flight. Can you count magazines or can you not count magazines? Yes, you can count magazines, so it's countable. We need rice next time we go shopping. Can rice be counted? Is it countable or is it uncountable? It is uncountable. Look at the next one. I have got some news for you. Can news be counted or can it not be counted? News is uncountable. News को हम गिन नहीं सकते. Give the baby her bottle when she wakes up. Can you count a bottle? Is it countable or is it uncountable? It is countable. Okay, so here's another question for you. What kind of music do you like? Is music countable or is it uncountable? So children, today we revised kinds of nouns. अब हमारा nouns वाला chapter finish हो चुका है. So, I will be sending you a worksheet और वो worksheet आप सब अपनी क्लास वर्क कॉपी में सॉल्व करेंगे और मैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में आपसे पूछूंगी. हरे कृष्णा डियर स्टूडेंट्स.